So here's what I call a chaos garden. So let's talk about what this chaos garden is. We decided to do that this year so we could have extra food just thrown out for all of our pigs that we have, since we're accidental pig farmers. So we just wanted to go ahead and have a lot of extra stuff. So this was by far the most fun for the kids to go ahead and plant. We just used one of these white fences that you can see here from Premier One. We just kind of tilled up the land a little bit. We came in here and we literally just threw seeds everywhere and scattered them everywhere, which was, like I said, just ridiculously fun for the kids to do. We raked them in lightly, stomped on the ground to get them go into the ground. Then I had these row covers, so because I knew the birds would come out here and try to peck at the seeds. So this is all I have for the row covers. So if we had more, I would put more and cover the whole thing. And I can tell they were just out here now, and I came out here and scared them. But we're protecting some. We put in some potatoes as well, because I had a bunch of extra. So some of this stuff may or may not actually grow all the way to fruition or to ripe. But whatever grows on the vine or even just the vine itself will be great food for the pigs that we'll be able to give them late in the fall. Even if stuff gets frosted, right, they're still going to go ahead and eat that as well. So just extra food to help offset the cost of all the feed that we buy. And it's just smart using the land and a little bit of spot here. There's some sunflowers and beans and all different kinds of squashes and pumpkins. And pumpkins are great for parasites and good for their stomachs and stuff like that. So chaos gardening at its finest, with the 4 chicken tractors in the background, if you're wondering what the heck those are, on a beautiful, cloudy, moody summer day in northern Michigan.